Guys, welcome to Trendy Road. So I've been seeing this particular shape, online, and I've been seeing this shape online, and a lot of person has been, using this shape for different designs, mostly the creative in the industry, and a lot of person have been using this more often. So I've decided to show you guys how you can create this with Pixellab. It's as simple as anything you could imagine. But before we start, I want you to help me and do something. I want you to hit the subscription button, turn on the bell so that if I upload video, you'll be notified. And secondly, I want you to go to the comment section and type I have learned something new. I want you to like and I want you to share this video with your friends. So without wasting much time, let's just go straight to the business of today. So sorry, I'm having a little catarrh, please. So just bear with me. So first thing we'll do first is to enter a shape. Then we'll go to our gradients. Choose. Let me just use another gradient color so that you're not think maybe you're still working with the old one. Let me use something like this. So let me make this one more. So let's just work with these gradients, for instance. So all we need to do now is to just drag this shape like this first. Then now, since we cannot get that curve, okay, this is what I did actually to get that curve. I'm really sorry. So this is the curve actually. Okay, let me go to my eraser. This is the curve actually. So what we just do here is to just merge it together. Just merge it together. Just merge. So just centralize it. Turn that white this into a white color, something black. Don't worry, I will drop a link that will enable you to download everything you're seeing here, including the shape, everything. A link will be there that will enable you to download everything. So all you need to do is to go to your color eraser, take off your black, then go to your, now in that color eraser, ensure you work on your tolerance to 30. Then you crop it out. Are you seeing? Then what do I do next? All you need to do now is to rotate it like this. Then from here you increase it. Then you drop it here. Are you seeing? So now what's the next thing we'll do now? Now go to your texture and import. Now I want to import that stripes effect that you're seeing inside. And I also drop a link that will enable you to download that effect that you're seeing up there. This is the effect. You'll not be able, okay. Are you seeing that we've gotten the effect? So now what do we do next? Go to your inner shadow. Enable your inner shadow. Now increase the blur radius to 20. Then change it to white. Then now reduce the opacity a little bit. Just reduce the opacity. Now let's assume this is it. Then reduce the opacity a little bit. Now you see, then your this thing, your back shadow, enable it. Also reduce this to reduce the opacity. Then now you can save your design. Now you can save your design. Now let me also show you the old one and this one. You see that there is no difference. Are you seeing? Just that the difference is that this one is bigger while this one is smaller. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? There's no difference. So this is how this masterpiece was achieved. So kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends, and see you guys in my next tutorial.